Welcome to today. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to activate your fingerprint scanner in your Android emulator, so that when you want to test an application that requires fingerprint authentication on your system using the Android emulator, you can do that seamlessly without any problem. So let us start. This is just a demo application that I'm building. So I implemented the fingerprint scan or the fingerprint authentication on the application. So before you can make use of the fingerprint, you have to activate it. So let's see. Fingerprint is not enabled in settings. That was the message we received there. So when you want to view health records, as I want to secure them, when you click here, authentication error, no fingerprints enrolled. So before you can enroll the fingerprints, go to your settings. Let's slide down, or let's minimize the application. We minimize, then go to settings. In our settings, we go to security settings, if I am not wrong. Yes, security settings. So in the security settings, we go to, because this device is a pixel emulator, so we go to pixel imprint. Open pixel imprint. So for this tutorial, we'll have to register one fingerprint, but before you can register any other authentication method, you have to activate a pattern, pin or password, just like on your normal Android device. So let us activate a pin, or let's cancel it. Let's activate a pattern. So it's just a simple pattern that will activate here. So then we confirm our pattern. So just select your preferences and then you move on. So now you can see where it says add your fingerprint. On your system, some of your systems might have a fingerprint scanner, but on the emulator, that is not what it wants to use. So what does it want to accept? What it will accept is you. Okay, so look at, you read through what was how it works and all that, and then you agree, and then you'll be alerted to scan your fingerprint or to touch the sensor. So some of you might have a fingerprint sensor on your PC, but that is not what is that's not the hardware part of the system that is needed to run this. So what will you do? You go to these options or more, then you go down to fingerprint, then you select the fingerprint that you want, and then you touch sensor. So it says touch again, touch, you continue touching it. Now you are done. You've activated fingerprints one. You can add another, so you have one which you can also delete if you want, just like on your normal phones application. So now we'll close this and then close this, go back to our application. Let's open our application. So now you didn't see the pop-up message that was complaining about fingerprint enrollment. So now we've enrolled the fingerprint. How do you now open up or authenticate using the fingerprint? So when you now click view health records, it will pop up the fingerprint authentication. It says touch the fingerprint sensor. So you have to come back here. If you choose fingerprint, so it will tell you that not recognized. Then you take it back to fingerprint 1 and then touch sensor. You now have access to what you want, and then you'll be sent to the new screen. So this is how to activate your biometric fingerprint sensor on your PC, so that you can make use of the fingerprint sensor or your Android emulator. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get more tips on Android and so many other tech issues. Thank you.